Juice versus Rock's Right.
You got a lot of good individuals that can step it up on the one-on-one level, and not just the crew battles. You know, they can handle it on the floor when it comes to one-on-one. As far as my style goes, I'm basically known for like footwork, but I mean, I consider myself as being able to do everything. Mainly, my main style I would have to say is freeze framing, because I do a lot of freezes.
Juice versus Rock's Right. Straight down the line. 3 rounds, y'all. 3 rounds. DJ. That was a hot battle right there, y'all. I straight up B-boy to the fullest. Who we got up there, judges? Juice Boogie. Juice Boogie, y'all.
First round I battled Nabil from France, and I felt that I was very focused in that battle. You know, I came out, did what I wanted to do. The second battle is me versus Juice Boogie. You know, that's as far as I got. I had 2 battles that night. My second battle, you know, I felt came out a little bit less energy than the first round. I didn't agree with the call. I mean, you know, judges make their own decisions. That's what they're judging, and that's just what they chose. You know, they felt that he won. I felt that I won. Reasons why I lost, and they said that it was because some of my stuff looked too repetitive, and I can understand that, you know. But you know, if you're B1, you know, you gotta understand. If you're judging and you've been B1, you gotta understand the different variations of the we're doing. You know, like if, for example, if somebody comes out and does air tracks, I mean, he can do air tracks 1 round, okay, that's cool. He comes out, does an air track, and keeps his legs closed or taps his feet or whatever it is he does in the air track, then that's a different variation of the move. So you count that as a different run.